Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
What's next for your connected kitchen? A couple of entrepreneurs think a smart cutting board is a sharp idea. Tony Frick and his wife Alissa have co-founded BLOK, B-L-O-K, and have surpassed their goal on Kickstarter to bring it to market.
So BLOK is essentially the Peloton of the kitchen. Think a smart cutting board with an embedded digital display that you stream live and on-demand cooking classes led by celebrity chefs. Our app lets you order all the ingredients you need for those classes, and you can take these classes with your closed social network.
Frick says the cutting board separates from the display for cleaning. The idea was born during the pandemic with the couple doing a lot more home cooking. You can find BLOK, B-L-O-K, and early deals on Kickstarter.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Now this. It takes a lot of listening to build a better radio, and that's just what the folks at C. Crane have done. Bob Crane and his crew, nestled among the rivers and tallest trees in the world in Fortuna, California, have made a habit of listening to their customers. And that's just what they've done in building the CC Skywave SSB, the Swiss Army knife of portable radios. For everyday listening to AM or FM in the yard or patio or on the nightstand without having to drain a mobile phone battery, it's a great companion. But it is also a companion equipped for NOAA weather information and alerts that can be life-saving. You can listen to FEMA and Coast Guard transmissions too. Beyond all of that, you can tune into shortwave signals from around the world. It's compact, easy to take with you, and built to last. The CC Skywave SSB. Click on the link at Techstination.com.